Wow, I didn't even know this was coming today, and I checked the mail and I had this in there. Editor Morgan here. I'm currently sick as I'm editing this, but I was looking up information for this advent calendar and evidently they are sold out already, so I'm so sorry about that. I wish I got mine sooner so I could have posted about it and shared with you guys, but I filmed it as soon as I got it, so that's unfortunate. But I'm still going to go ahead and edit and post this video in case you guys want to see what type of products they have for next year, so you guys will kind of have an idea if you want to order these in the future to keep an eye out. But yeah, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, the boxes are so cute. Box number 1, we have the Relief Sunrise Probiotics from Beauty of Joseon, always a win. Box number 2 is something from CloserX, the Vitamin C23. I have not tried this yet. This is the Super Vitamin E plus Hyaluronic Acid. I've been very good about my vitamin C, so I could definitely use some more. Box number 3. Ooh, this is from Tokobo. I actually have the liquid version of this in my skincare routine right now, and I haven't tried the Sun Stick. So this is the Cotton Soft Sun Stick. SPF 50 PA Quadruple Plus. Fun! Number 4, Jumiso. I like the vitamin C mask they used to have, or if they still have it, I haven't used it in a while, but I really liked it. And this is the All Day Vitamin Brightening and Balancing Facial Serum, so I'm pretty sure this is like the serum version of the mask. I know I like the mask, so I'll probably like this. These boxes are really cute. Woo, that's a big one, long. We have the Birch Sun Moisturizing Sunscreen. I've never tried this, so great. Honestly, I'm so far really enjoying that we're getting a lot of sunscreen products because I can always use sunscreen products. I burn through them. 6. Ooh, we have the Ramon Lasting Melting Balm in the shade Nougat Sand. This is actually, I think, one of the Glow Pick winners in 2023 in like mid-year, so I always love getting shades of like a glossy lip balm because they're products that I can always use. Number 7, we have the Torrid Dive-In Serum, the low molecular hyaluronic acid. I think I've tried this, the older version. I don't know if they're the same, but it's been a while since I've used this actual serum. I'm actually using the toner right now, which is okay, but the serum is definitely one of their stronger products because everyone loves the Torrid and Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Number 8. Ooh, another sun stick from Abib, the Airy Sun Stick. I actually really like this. I've used this before and it's very nice because it's kind of a matte finish, so it's perfect over makeup. Number 9. Okay, there we go. We have something from Anua, the Heartleaf Soothing Toner. I have not tried this. I've used the pad version of this and really like it, and I know the pad version is a popular product, so I've not tried the toner. Definitely gonna be putting this into my skincare routine like immediately. Number 10, we have the Kahi Wrinkle Bounce Multi Balm. I love this. I've used this before, and this is a product that again is a very popular product. This used to be in like music videos a lot and on K-dramas, if you guys recognize this product, and it's just really nice for like a glowy effect on the skin. Number 11 up here. Ooh, Dinto. This is a brand I'm getting more into. I've tried their primer, their concealer, and a couple other products, but I've not tried this. It says Jane Austen. The Blur Finish Jane Austen Shadow. It's literally a palette of like little matte brown shades. So this might be a really pretty like clean girl eyeshadow palette. Like honestly, these two look very similar. So I'm gonna have to try this out and see if, you know, we got some differences in here. It looks maybe promising. I don't really know. I don't know how to feel about that. Okay, number 12. Okay, this is good. I got this. This is also from Round Lab, the Birch Juice Moisturizing Cream. I'm very curious because I literally just put this into my skincare routine, opened up the tub, and it looked kind of different texture-wise. So I didn't know if my tub had gone bad even though it hadn't expired yet. So this will be a good test case to see if that's just the texture of the product. Nope, mine was bad. That looks like a normal like gel cream. Mine was like chunky. So, okay, that's good to know. I will replace the one I have. I haven't used it, but I'll replace it with this guy. Why did that? I wonder why that happened, because like I said, it wasn't expired. And I store my products well. 13. Oh my gosh, how cute. It's a little mini Pyongan Essence Toner. I'm pretty sure I've tried this before, but if I have, it's been years, so I always like Pyongan. 14. Ah! What's this? Oh, Pro Concealer. That's what it is. Oh, it's 3 colors. Wait, that's so cool. I've never heard of this brand or tried this product, obviously. I'm so excited about that. I'm on my concealer game right now. Like, honestly, I feel like I've been wearing concealer versus foundation anymore, so love that. 15. This one says goodbye, crow's feet. I hope. Ooh, we have the Marine Care Eye Cream from Hemish. 16 down here. We have the Benton Fermentation Eye Cream, another eye cream. Love Benton. I don't think I've tried that one. Number 17, the Be The Skin BHA 30-second exfoliator Pore Zero. I've also never heard of this brand, Be The Skin. This is the thing that I like about advent calendars. I get to like try different products or brands that I've never heard of. 18, Bee Boost 10% Niacinamide Serum. 19. Oh, yay! We have something from Beauty of Joseon, the Glow Serum Propolis and Niacinamide. I'm currently using the ginseng and snail mucin in my skincare routine right now. I'm obsessed with like all of these serums. They work so well on my skin, and I have tried this one, I'm pretty sure. My only complaint, honestly, about the serums is I wish they were a little bit bigger. 20, another Roman product, the Blur Fudge Tint in Burnt Orange. Looks like a pretty color. 21. Ooh, another product from Tokobo. This is the Glass Tinted Lip Balm. It's in Flush Cherry. Oh, I think I've seen these online. I haven't tried this. 22. I think I know what this is. I do! We have the Isentry Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel, SPF 50 PA Quadruple Plus. I love this sunscreen. This is a very sunscreen heavy advent calendar, which again, I'm not mad at because sunscreens are definitely things you could definitely use. 23, we have another sunscreen. We have the Mary May Vegan Peptide Bakuchiol Sun Stick. I've talked about this before and I like using it on like the back of my hands. So I keep one of these in my car for when I'm driving. All right, we're getting towards the end. We're already at 24. Hemish Smudge Stop Mascara in the Dalism. I love this mascara. It's like one of the few cream mascaras that I actually like, because like I said, most of them are waterproof and I just cannot be bothered to remove that from my eyes. We are on to day 25. The Dr. G Red Blemish Clear Soothing Cream. I've used this before and really like it. It's a very nice, like, sensitive skin friendly cream. It's lightweight, great for those who have inflammation or irritated skin. And yeah, and the exciting part about this advent calendar is there's actually this little 26 guy here. It's so cute. We have the Believe the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. You guys, if you've been on my channel for a while, you know, Believe, I love Believe, so nice little addition. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this little impromptu unboxing of the StyleKorean advent calendar. Like I said, I had no idea this was coming. I literally just opened this package. I was like, we're filming a video. And yeah, thank you StyleKorean for sending me this to check out. And as always, I hope you guys are happy and healthy. And don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Hit that notification bell and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!